Johnny. Got him, Johnny. Okay. Did I just catch my PB? Oh, there he is. Yes, Johnny. Atta boy. Say something.
No.
Come on, just tell the camera. You hate fishing. You hate us. Okay? We're gonna catch Johnny.
No negativity.
No negativity, only positivity, right? Hook sets are
Free.
and then
Even if you catch weed.
that's right. Snag them, drag them, right?
Yeah, that's all you guys are gonna get today is water and weeds.
We're off to see the wizard. Everyone in these houses are probably like, these guys have nothing better to do in life.
Yeah, losers.
Male. March. Oh, it's so muddy here.
See it.
Sorry, I crossed you. What's his name's house? Oh, I crossed you. Heavy duty cross. Sorry.
The thing that's annoying about you guys is you move every 2 minutes.
Hey, Marley.
Do you guys not know, like, do you enjoy fishing or walking?
To be honest, it's a good question. Marley, watch out for all the spiders, okay?
Don't listen to me.
I'm joking. Wait.
We're gonna catch something here. Watch.
Oh, they're all right here. Look. Oh, they're all right there. Look. Oh my God. We're catching fish today. Marley, set it up. Let's go. Look, Johnny, let the kid use. Look right here. Look, it's right there.
Where's the fish?
It's right there, bro. It's right there. Right there, right in front. Look. Watch. Oh!
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, it's getting big.
See the red one.
Marley, man. Let's go. Grab a rod. We have to figure them out.
You walking?
Yeah. Got one. Oh, Johnny. Yeah, he put it inside his mouth. Johnny, he put it inside. Yo, tiny spinner, bro. Well, it's a field day right here. Bro, that guy choked it. Yeah, beautiful little guy. Well, you want to say something for the guy? Nothing, no, like, happy birthday, Chinese New Year. Johnny, nothing?
Should we let her hold it?
Want to hold it? Huh?
Why?
Just put it in your pocket.
No.
Oh, you suck. Goodbye, buddy. Yo, tiny spinner, tiny spinner. Cause that guy was tiny for a big spinner like this. Cause I'm married to the game. I saw a whole bunch of fishermen wearing it. That's why I did it. Sam thinks I'm stupid, but it's okay. She thinks I'm stupid every day.
But it looks like you're saying you're married to her.
No, I'm married to the game. Thanks, Marley.
Like you can see you lost weight. Wow.
I just ate a Baconator.
Right?
That's okay. Drink some water. Tomorrow will even out.
Thanks,
You're gonna
Marley.
be bloated because of salt today.
Marley, you're like the best person in the world. Thanks. Johnny. Oh, Johnny. Oh, shit, Johnny. He was right there.
No, I always get a rash on this side of my face whenever we go fishing. Because I'm telling you, I'm not meant to come.
Are you allergic to fishing?
I think so.
Holy shit.
Every time I get this stupid rash on this face, the side of my face. But I'm thinking.
go back where we saw the big one. Johnny, 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 Johnny. Oh, Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Oh, he swam from the middle. Something big's gonna hit this thing. So if they're hitting this thing now, that means they're protecting something. Protecting something.
Babies.
Hi, there's no fish. Yeah, well, we should be trained for this, buddy. Well, I was getting some movement with the popper, right? And I did see a frog. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna walk the edge with the popper. Edge.
On the whole thing?
No, just the edge right here. What should I do for fish? Got him, Johnny. Got him, got him, got him. He's pretty big, he's pretty big. Come. Oh, Johnny. He's huge, come. Johnny, come here, quick. Johnny, come, he's quick. Holy crap. Yo, this guy's a tank. And I was recording. Yo, this guy's a tank, bro. Oh, there's a whole bunch of bluegill too, eh? Yo, he's big, bro. Look at this. Hold on, my foot's like that. Yo, he's big, bro. Okay, okay. I gotta put him down, though. Oh my god, bro, he's a tank. He's fucking... Okay, go. 4.8. Did I just catch my PB? 4 pounds. 4 pounds. Okay.
Put him in the water. You got 2 good fish.
What? I have to. Catch right there, catch right there. I want to get you catching one on film. Perfect. Oh, there he is. Yes, Johnny. Yes. Yes, Johnny. Yes. I got that all on film. Yes. Johnny, how does it feel? How does it feel? Not a baby, put him sideways. Put the fins up. Arms up. Had a boy, Johnny. Yes.
Baby.
Wanna weigh him?
Yeah, sure.
I have it on camera too. That's crazy. Perfect. About 3 pounds, bro.
Is that 7 or 1?
212? That's the 3 pounds, bro. Fish a bit sideways. I gotta film it.
Perfect. Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye, Bassy Bass.
Dang. Johnny. 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 You gotta end the video. What are you gonna say? Say subscribe to Boys Be Bassin'. And Barley, you gotta end the video.
Oh, goodbye.
Was it a great day fishing?
Yep.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How many fish did you catch?
None.
Ah, beautiful. All right, we're done. Goodbye, Johnny. Going home.
Perfect.